Vanakkam, I am Satish Silan, retired Chief Engineer from Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Now I am working as a wellness coach. I am going to tell about the generation of 15th November in India and 111 mantra and how we are going to save energy in day to day as 111 mantra. Okay. Now I am share some slides relating this. So what COP26 goal says in this also in a later part we are going to discuss. And health, wealth, happiness. It is also related to 111 mantra. Health is the base, wealth and happiness. Okay. Now what 111 mantra says? Everybody can do it. Can do it. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. So save minimum 1 unit of electricity per service per day. Avoid minimum 1 kilometer travel per day per vehicle. A minimum 1 liter of water usage per person per day. So we can reduce pollution and global warming without spending money. So this is the energy conservation tips. This can be done by ourselves. It need not depend anybody's help. Every day we are using electricity. Without electricity, we are not able to do anything from morning to night. So travel also every day we are using the travel by bike or car or anything. So I am going to take the only mopeds and bikes and other things. It is individual person can drive. So you will take the decision where we are going, when we are going, how many tasks we are clubbing. Like this, we will club all these things means we will plan accordingly. We will minimize 1 kilometer travel. Water also the same thing. Every day we are using a lot of water lavishly and some things. So we will minimize 1 liter water. So my mission is changing people's life. That is the 25 lakhs people's family live a healthy and happy by 2030. How I am going to change? So by the changing their eating habits, changing their lifestyle, health and wellness, daily physical activities like this, we will give. Nowadays, most of the peoples are work. They are totally dependent on the work. They are dedicatedly working on their work. They are trying to complete their targets under them without considering their health. So if you are having the good health means the efficiency also increases. Okay. I will tell one by one. Then now how it is related to the power station, that is energy generation, energy conservation to health and wellness. So that is the 15th and 15th total generation, that is 3,525 million units. Coal only 2,583. Almost 73% of total generation India is coal-based generation. In COP26, what they are saying, we will try to minimize the CO2 emission and the emission as pollution and other things. So if we try to reduce 1 unit of electricity, it is totally put together at least 130 crores people are there. 100 crores people come forward to reduce 1 unit means you think about how many units we can save, how many kilometers travel we can avoid. In turn, what is the electricity consumption? In turn, we can save the energy. Normally, as per the energy auditor, if you are saving 1 unit of electricity is equal to 2 units of energy generated. You work it out the cost and other things, how we are generating power, how much distance coal we are traveling from one place to another place. You think about that. So you will try to reduce 1 unit. So that's why I'm giving this statistics. 73% of generation totally based on the coal. So this is the 1st November to 15th November. The everyday generation, other things, is curve shows clearly. In Diwali, one day it is reduces and come to 15th November. That is 3,525 million units. This is the all states generation, peak demand met. Maharashtra is 521 million units. That is the total generation. There is 25,215 million units. That is the megawatts. It is above 100 million unit states. is the percentage. That is the Maharashtra 15%, Gujarat 10%, Madhya Pradesh 8%, UP 8%, Tamil Nadu 7%. This is the milliunits consumption everyday pattern. When it is goes, when it ups, that is we can analyze how when it is power consumption reduces, when it power consumption increases. Is another 5 states. In megawatt, this source this is megawatts. This is also in megawatts. So now comes to COP26 goals. That is almost they are taking the 1.5 degrees within the reach. By 2030 emissions reduction target, they are reaching net zero by the middle of the century. So everybody's, the total governments, all countries are trying to reach this, but everybody's how to take action. That action is the 111 mantra. Okay. So as per my knowledge, being a certified energy manager and a mechanical engineer, and 35 years worked in the thermal power stations. So as a social response, having social responsibility, I'm giving some tips to reduce the energy conservation. So whatever the doubts you have, contact me, and every day updates the generation of total India. Okay. After seeing this video, you like it and subscribe my channel. Every day I'm going to updates. I will stop the share and come to this. So I'm having the total responsibility in this area, energy conservation, in my capacity. So I want to say something about the people to know they'll try to reduce the energy. Okay, you take 111 mantra, 1 unit electricity we can save, 1 unit of 1 kilometer travel we can avoid, 1 liter water we can save. Okay, thank you.